Very good morning to Dr. Ahmad Mubarak. So today I would like to present about the topic which is the friction on the inclined plane. So I would like to go into the introductions. First, C program is a computer programming language that supports structural programming or a static type system which has formed the basics of many other advanced programming languages such as C++. And C provides a lot of library, which is the C's biggest advantages. So the library contains hundreds of functions that's sufficient enough for C users to develop several programs to solve problems. So friction can be defined as a force resistance acting on the body that prevents slipping of the body relative to the surface that it is contact with. This force is always tangent to the surface of the contact, and the frictional force is always opposed to the motion of the body. So in this project, a program is designed to calculate the coefficient of frictions and the sum of forces that is parallel to the contact surface. So when the block is placed on an inclined plane, it has the tendency for the bodies to slide down the surface. As the angle of inclination increases, the block have greater tendency to slide down the surface due to the force exerted down to the plane has increases too. So for the problem statement is how to write a proper C program to solve related solid mechanics topic under the topic of frictions. So how to solve the problem coefficient of frictions which involve the optimizations of the angle of inclination. So and how to allow any users to use the C program that have been written to solve the problem related to coefficient frictions of any desired input of angle of inclination between 30 degree to 40 degree. So for the objective is to write a proper C program to help user to solve problem related coefficient of friction and total force under solid mechanics, and to solve the problem which involve optimization of angle of inclination, and to allow users to use C program that have been written to solve the problem related to the coefficient of friction with any desired input of angle inclination between 30 degree to 40 degree. So for the programming, I have used the do and while loop, and I limited the angle between the 30 degree to 40 degree. So and the result is I use 10 kilogram, 20 kilogram, 30 kilogram, and the angle of inclination is varying from 30 degree to 40 degree. So for the results, we can get the coefficient of frictions and the sum of forces that parallel to the inclined plane. And so for the results, for the conclusion, C is very useful programming language that can be used to determine many real-life problems that related to solid mechanics and material science problems. In this project, the program written can be used to determine the coefficient of friction and the sum of forces that is parallel to the surface of contact. So for this project, the elimination is that the initial angle and the initial angle of the angle of inclination is set at 30 degree and maximum angle is set at 40 degree. And I can conclude that this project had been carried successfully, where the objective of the project had been achieved, whereby the program written can be used to determine the coefficient of frictions and the total sum of force that parallel to the inclined plane. Thank you.